Did you know that Craigslist gets over 800 million visitors to their website every single month? They're also ranked number 9 in highly trafficked websites in the United States. And today I'm going to be teaching you how you can actually cash in on all that traffic and make money with Craigslist. So hi guys, my name is John from johnmcneil.com, and if this is the first time to my channel, we teach you all about affiliate marketing and making money from home. So if that interests you, you definitely want to click on that little John McNeil icon that's in the right hand corner of your screen, and go ahead and click that little bell icon so that you're notified every time I release a new video. So without further ado guys, let's go ahead and jump into this video guys. I'm going to show you how you can actually make at minimum $50 to $80 a day with Craigslist, and we're going to start right now. What's up guys, John from johnmcneil.com, and I'm actually in the back office of one of my CPA networks called Max Bounty. You do have to get approved for this particular CPA network. So in order to get approved, if you don't have approval already, is you need to basically convince them that you know what you're doing in terms of marketing. So they just basically, you have to fill out an application, they get on the phone with you, and basically they just want you to tell them how you plan to market these products and services. And essentially you can just tell them, like, you know, you have a blog, you have a YouTube channel, you're going to be doing some Facebook ads, some social media stuff, and 9 times out of 10 you will probably get approved. It does help that if you have some sort of website or some sort of real estate presence online, so that you can actually show them like, hey, I have a blog, hey, I have a YouTube channel, I have like a Facebook following. That helps as well. But what we're going to do is we're going to be using the pay per leads offers to make money with Craigslist. Now, these are probably one of the easiest ways to get paid with CPA, because, you know, you don't have to get the person on the other end of the computer to buy anything, right? So a lot of these offers, you know, somebody has to purchase something, or they have to whip out their credit card or something like that. But what we're going to be doing is we're going to be presenting these folks with just offers that all they have to do is enter in their email address, and we're done, right? And that's how we're gonna get paid. And I've actually selected the job niche to actually, like an actual employment job, to actually set up a campaign so that I can show you guys an example of how this kind of works. So what we're going to do first is I'm going to go over here to the search bar, and I'm going to actually type in jobs, right? So as you can see what comes up, I mean, these are real companies, guys, that pay CPA networks like Max Bounty to basically, you know, market out here online to get leads for their companies, so people can actually come through their front doors and get hired at their different stores. I mean, right here we have Starbucks, we have Kroger, we have Walgreens, Lowe's, Target, CVS, McDonald's. I mean, these are real companies. And check this out here, guys. To get a qualified lead for Starbucks is $2.40 a lead. Walgreens, $2.65 a lead. Lowe's, $2.65. Target, $2.40. So they're just saying, hey, we have employment for people all over the United States. And if you actually click on, say, let's click on Target, it actually gives you a little bit of information here. And you can see here it says single opt-in, $2.40 per lead, right? And it says my status is already approved. It says the daily cap is 100 actions per day. So basically you could only send 100 emails or 100 qualified emails a day. But that's still fine, because that's over $200 a day if you can get that to happen. And you can go ahead and look at what the actual website looks like. Let's blow it up. And it says start a career today, $18 to $20 an hour, target jobs, right? So it actually has, you know, somebody would put in target and they would put in a zip code, and then they would just put in view target jobs, right? So let's go and break down what we're going to be doing here. So we're going to go ahead and select Target as the CPA offer that we're going to be promoting, right? So what you then want to do is you want to go over to Craigslist, and you're going to pick any city, because Target is all over the United States and you can just pick any city. So I'm here at Sarasota, Florida, right? So what you're going to want to do is, for Target, you're going to go to the jobs category. You're going to want to go down to retail. And then you can kind of see there's a lot of jobs being posted here, whatever, they have a lot of different jobs, right? So what you're going to do is go to post, and then you're going to want to click on job offered. You're going to want to, now in order to post, I do need to let you know that if you want to post in a job section, there is a $25 per post charge, but that's nothing compared to the amount of traffic that you're going to be getting with Craigslist. As you know, it gets a ton of traffic every single day. And at $2.40 per lead, I think you're going to be able to make your money back pretty quickly and beyond, because you're going to be able to get a lot of traffic. So you would then go down to, let's go to retail. You click on that, and then you hit continue. And this is where you actually you post your ad. So you put like the posting title, the posting body, employment type. You would put the compensation here. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to keep this as the Craigslist mail reply. And that just means that they're going to be replying through the Craigslist email. It'll get to your email address or whatever like that, but they won't see what your email address is. They're just going to be replying through like the Craigslist email system, if that makes any sense, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to want to have an ad. So I literally just put something together like a minute ago. And basically, so my ad will read like this, right? Immediate openings in Target, at Target, $18 to $25 an hour. Target is one of the world's most recognized brands and one of America's leading retailers. We are looking for 5 to 7 people with excellent customer service skills. I put 5 to 7 people because you kind of put a little bit of scarcity in there, and Target is always looking to hire people anyways, and I'll show you exactly what I mean. We have positions in apparel, sales, guest services, beauty, logistics, Starbucks, and asset management. No previous experience is necessary. Please email us for more details if interested. Do not contact us with unsolicited services. Only serious inquiries needed to respond. So this email does a couple things. So first of all, I'm saying we have some positions open in these categories, right? And then I'm also saying, we'll train you. You don't have to have experience. And then I'm saying, please email us for more details if you're interested. So first of all, like, if someone's actually very interested in getting a job at Target and they email you and say, hey, I'm interested in getting one of these jobs, then you know that they're really a hot lead. And there's 2 different reasons why you're actually going to be replying with an email, and that's one of the reasons. So this would be basically the ad that you would put. So let's just go ahead and do that real fast. I was trying not to make this video too long, guys. Trying to kind of run through this quickly. So I got my title. I have my body copy. And I would post that in here. And then employment type, I would put full-time. Compensation, you can put $25 an hour. And then again, you want to also put the Craigslist mail reply. So basically what's going to happen is they're going to see that ad. And then if they're interested, they're going to actually reply to your email. And then you're going to respond back to them once they've actually emailed you. And there's 2-fold reasons why you're going to do that. Number 1, you want to make sure that they're very interested in the actual offer. Number 2, if you're going to be promoting this particular offer over and over and over and over in multiple cities, you don't want Craigslist to actually see this, this landing page, and then they see like, okay, well, this is just a marketer or affiliate marketer, and they're posting all over the place. So that's why you don't really want to have that in the actual ad posting. You want to just reply with that so it's in an email. And I'm going to show you exactly what you do when you reply to the email. So essentially, you have your ad there. You're going to continue. You're going to pay your $25, and then you're going to start getting emails. Now, this particular ad is targeted to people in Sarasota. Target Sarasota. So what I did was I went over to Indeed.com and I looked up Target and I looked up Sarasota, Florida, right? They actually do have a ton of jobs available in apparel, sales, guest services, beauty, logistics, visual, food team, Starbucks, protection specialist, asset protection. They have a ton of jobs. That's just the first page, guys. So this is legit. You see what I'm saying? Like Target, Sarasota, the Target in Sarasota has a ton of jobs available. And in my ad here, I'm saying, hey, we have openings. We got a ton of openings from $18 to $25 an hour in a ton of these categories here. So all we're doing is we're helping Target out. Target wants leads, right? That's why Target is on Max Bounty. Target wants qualified leads, and we're going to bring them qualified leads. We're just getting them from Craigslist. So, and every time somebody puts in their information, you're going to get $2.40 per lead, guys. So just imagine how many people, people need jobs, right? And they're on Craigslist all the time, and you're getting $2.40. They don't even have to, they're just putting in their information, right? A lead. So $2.40 a lead. So now that you have posted, just say you posted your ad, and now you're starting to get responses. People are emailing you through the Craigslist system, and they're saying, hey, I'm interested. Give me more information. So I've said, please email us if you need more details and you're interested. So then I go ahead and then I would craft my response. Let's see, which I've already done. Okay, here we go. So in my response, I say, I hope you guys can kind of read this. I say, hi, thank you for contacting us. We apologize for the delay in getting back to you as we've been swamped with emails. So I put that sentence out there because what's basically going to happen is you're going to start getting a ton of emails, and if you're not like by your computer when the emails come in, you're not going to be you're not going to be like responding back to them like the very second that they send the email. So if it's been a few hours, or if it's been like the next day, you can respond back and we say, we apologize for the delay in getting back to you. We've been swamped with emails. We're looking for people who are energized and will be passionate about Target's missions and values. We offer competitive pay and flexible working hours. In order to verify your suitability for the roles available, we ask that you get started with the application process. Once you have completed the initial application, someone from our team will be reaching out to you if you're selected. Thanks for responding, and we look forward to getting to know you. Please complete the below application. Boom, guys. This is where you put your Max Bounty affiliate link, and you can mask it, you can cloak it, whatever you want to, or you can just keep it exactly like it is. And then people would click on that Max Bounty link, your actual affiliate link through Max Bounty, and then they're going to put in their information, and then you're going to make $2.40 per lead. Does that make sense, guys? I hope so. And you can do this over and over and over again. You think about like how many cities can you post in? There's people, we used to do this back in the day with another biz op company just to get leads, and we used to crush it with leads doing this. But I wanted to kind of show you guys this from a CPA perspective because the people actually had to buy something to kind of get into that company. With this, they don't have to buy anything. All they have to do is enter in like their information, and then you can get paid. So You would just basically respond back to all of the people that are responding to you. And people are currently doing this, guys. I mean, there's people that have gotten so involved in this particular method that they've hired VAs, and that's all they do is they post jobs, reply to jobs, post jobs, reply to jobs, and they find these unique CPA offers that would be congruent and would make sense for whatever category that they're posting on actual Craigslist. So there's tons of categories in here. You could really get creative. Actually, if you can find some CPA offers that you can put in the gig section, that's actually free. You don't have to like pay the $25 to post there. Or even like in the services area, you can find like maybe some creative CPA offers and post it in there, and you can do that actually for free. So you may not even have to pay the $25. So it just depends on the offer and what the offer is saying. But I just wanted to give you guys an example of what you can use with Craigslist, because there's a ton of traffic here already, and you could just utilize these CPA offers to basically maximize your revenue and not even have to have that person buy anything, but they're just submitting their information for more information. And you're helping out the company. So I'm helping Target find employees in Sarasota. So everybody wins. I get my little $2.40. They get employees. So you can do this over and over and over again. So I hope that made sense, guys. So this is John from johnmcneil.com. This is it for this video. If you do want to learn more about how I do affiliate marketing, I do have an affiliate marketing guide that you can get absolutely free. It's in the description under johnmcneil.com. Please subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about this method. Are you going to try to crush it with the Craigslist? Again, if you have any questions about getting approved for CPA offers or CPA networks, let me know that as well. So talk to you guys soon in the next video. Peace.